Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by finding the exact failure point in the Braille line and understanding why it failed, abrasion, UV, or a crushed knot. Once located, free spool the net so the line lays flat. This prevents twists. Cut out only the damaged portion, leaving clean ends. Measure replacement length as 1.5 to 2 times the removed piece so you have knot room. Make sure the replacement line matches diameter and material. This preserves cast weight distribution and durability. Now splice the new line to the existing Braille with a method suited to the material, short splice for braided double overhand for monofilament. Thread the new line through the Braille groove or along the net horn exactly where the old line ran, so the net keeps its balance. Once tied, pull tension slowly and evenly. Quick hard tugs change spread and can tear mesh. Trim tag ends and melt or whip them as appropriate. Test by hand casting slowly to confirm equal distribution. Finish by neatly trimming knot tails and securing them. Melt synthetic ends or whip natural fibers, so nothing snags. Then do 3 to 5 slow practice throws to observe the spread and sync pattern. This validates your repair under real motion. If you see twisting, one side sinking faster, or a closed skirt, stop and re-inspect the braid path and knot tension. Uneven tension or a misplaced thread causes most issues. If problems persist, replace the entire Braille section to restore original geometry.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.